Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the types of wiring available. Subscribe this channel for more videos related to the electrical topic. The course material for this topic also available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the wiring. Wiring system are classified according to the types of wire used in the installation. It is classified based on the wire, what type of wire we are using. There are 4 types available: clad wiring, casing and capping wiring, CTS or TRS wiring, contact wiring. We will see this wiring one by one. First we will go to the clad wiring. So it is a temporary wiring method and it is not used for dump wall and ceilings. So temporarily, if you want to go for any temporary wiring, these type of wirings are used. So it has 2 parts available. One is the base, another is the cap. So in between base and cap, the wire is inserted. There will be a center screw hole in these 2 plates and there will be a hole in the base part for the wire to be inserted. So the cap is put over the base part and screwed through the center screw holes on the supporting wall. So the clads fixed should not be exceeding 50 cm. In clad wiring, PVC or VAR wires are used. We will refer the diagram so that you are able to understand easily. So it is a temporary wiring. These type of wirings are used for temporary purpose. See, this is the clad available. So the 2 parts available here, top one and bottom one. This is the screw part. So here the hole is available, in that the wires are placed. The conductors are placed in these 2 wires, in these 2 places. Right? The wires are placed. Then this top portion is placed and screw is given, so that it become tight. So this is the main part of the clad wiring, having 2 parts, the top one and bottom one. Through this hole the conductors are placed. So we will see the example. The lamp available is controlled by a switch. So this is nothing but a clad wiring. So this is the phase, the neutral. The neutral is connected directly to the lamp. Phase is connected through the switch. So when the switch is turned on, the lamp will be glowed. When the switch is turned off, the lamp will be in off condition. So here we are using the clad, this portion is used. So this phase and neutral wire will be held by this clad. So this is a temporary wiring. We cannot use it for permanent purpose, and also it is 50 cm. Within 50 cm mean we can use this type of wiring. It's a old type also. Nowadays also it is using, depends upon the application. Temporarily, if you want to go for a wiring, this type of wiring can be used. Okay, so this is the main part. This part is a clad that will hold the 2 conductors and it is tightened so that it will hold the conductors tightly. Now we will go to the second type. So in this second type is the casing and capping wiring. The type of wiring consists of cable running through a case and fixing a cap over it. So here also 2 parts available, case and cap. So that is fixed in the wall through which the wire are running. First the case is fixed on the supporting wall by the wooden plugs and steel screws. In wooden type, cap will be screwed on the case. In PVC type, the cap will be locked in the top of the case. So this is one plastic box is available having the 2 parts, casting and capping. So through this is a space available. Through this the wires are run. The wires are run through this space available. So first this casing is fixed in the wall. Then the wire is run over which the capping will be placed. So this is a temporary. This one can be easily removed and easily fixed. There is no screw available, only the gap is there. So only the casing is fixed on the wall. This capping can be easily removed without any screw. Through the space the conductor is running. So here one model is available. The lamp is controlled by the switch. So this is the casing and capping wiring, this one and this one. So the wires are run through this. The neutral is directly connected. The phase is connected through the switch. So while operating the switch, we can control the lamp. So this is also very simple type of wiring. First the casing is placed on the wall. Then through this space the wires are placed, over which the capping will be placed. Capping can be easily removed and easily placed. So one example is available. Now we'll go to the third type. Third one is the CTS or TRS wiring. What is CTS? Cap type shielded. TRS means tough rubber shielded. These two methods, these two types available. We'll see this one by one. In this method, a well varnished wooden reaper of size 10 mm to 40 mm width is fixed on the supporting wall. So we have the varnished wooden reaper with a size of 10 mm to 40 mm is fixed on the wall or ceiling with wooden plugs and the steel screws. So in the previous method we placed the casing, plastic casing. Here we are placing the wooden reaper. Then a small clip is fixed on the reaper with the brass nails and in an equal distance of 10 centimeter. So the small clip is placed in the wooden reaper at a distance of 10 centimeter. In this clip only we are going to place the conductor. Then wiring is done through the clips fixed on the reaper and the clips are locked tightly. So in the previous method the space is available in the casting. In that place the conductor is placed. Here the conductor is placed through the clips. After placing, the clip is locked tightly. One of the main feature of this wiring is that it is a good appearance. It is cheaper than contact wiring, mainly used for lighting purpose. Very easily we can fix this wiring and also it is good appearance and also cheaper, mainly used for lighting purpose. So the diagram is available. So this is the link clip and the joint clip. So through the joint clip only the conductors are placed. See here one wiring is available, model available. So this is the wooden reaper. Wooden reaper is available. So this is the clip, link clip. So these three lines represent three conductors are running. We can place the three conductors. For example, neutral, phase, earth. These three conductors are held tightly by this joint clip, link clip and joint clip. So this is the clip. This clip is placed. First clip is placed on the wooden bar over which the coils are running conductor. Then the clip is tightened so that the clip will hold the conductor tightly. Right. So the conductor, so first one wooden reaper available over which the conductor is there, then the clip is hold the conductor tightly. So this is the third type. Now we'll go to the fourth type. Fourth one is the contact wiring. Contact wiring, there are two types available. Surface contact wiring, concealed wiring. Similarly, we can use either steel contact or PVC rigid contact. So this is the plastic PVC, this one steel. Either we can place in a surface or concealed. Now we'll see this method one by one. In both two types, PVC or VAR wires are used. In surface contact wiring, the contact are fixed with the saddles by using the steel screw and wall plugs. So here there is like to previous method, here the contacts are placed on the wall. The saddles are fixed at the maximum gap of 1 meter between the two saddles. Suitable bends or elbows are used in the wall on bending. Any bend is available, the elbow or bends are used. The example diagram is available so that you are able to understand easily. If there is a long straight run of conductor, the inspection type coupler should be provided inadequate. So if the length is very long means inspection type coupler means it is a one box. If any fault occurs, we can open that coupler, we can inspect. What is the what type of fault? Any fault is there, that can be replaced. Because it is a long lengthier mean it is very difficult to identify the fault. So by placing this inspection type coupler, we can easily identify. PVC insulated multi-stranded cables are used in this type of wiring. So we are using the PVC insulated multi-stranded cables. In concealed wiring, the contacts are buried under the plaster. So we can place this contact either outside the wall or inside the wall. Then nowadays we are placing the PVC pipe inside the wall. Only the switchboard will be appear. All the wirings are available inside the wall, so that it is given. Contacts are buried under the plaster. PVC insulated multi-stranded copper wire is mainly used for this wiring. Copper wire. This method of wiring used for domestic as well as commercial building. So nowadays we are using this type of wiring. Earlier this type of wiring is placed over the wall. We can see all the wiring, the PVC pipe, everything. Nowadays it is placed inside. We can see only the switchboard. The wire, elbow, pipe, everything are placed inside the wall. One diagram is available so that we are able to understand easily. So this is a supply available, neutral, earth and line. So this is nothing but a PVC pipe. This is a PVC pipe. So in the bend we are using the elbow or junction points. So this is nothing but a junction point. Here what we need, we need one lamp, we need to divert. Similarly here we are using one junction point because we are using one switch here. Similarly we are using one switch here. So wherever we need a junction, that we can use the junction box so that we can divert. So in this diagram what we have, on the supply line is available, one junction box in order to divert the switchboard, another junction box in order to divert the lamp, then one elbow is there through which another switchboard is available. So we can control this lamp by using these switches. Now we will see the description. So this is the supply point, neutral, earth and line. So this is nothing but a clip. These clips are holding the PVC pipe. This PVC pipe holds the wire. Inside the wire is available, over which PVC pipe, and that is held by these clips. So the junction box, so these two are clip, another junction box, then clip, then we go to the lamp. Here another three clips are available. Here only elbow is available. In order to make the bend, elbow is available. This is another switch box. So in this we can control the lamp by using the switches. So it is a switch. So the L is refers line or phase, E refers the earth, N refers the neutral. So this type of wiring only now we are using. This PVC pipe, this clip, everything is buried inside the wall. It's not available, not visible. It is available inside. Only the switchboard are available at the outside. We can use this type of wiring over the wall also. If the new house is constructed, during the construction itself, all this PVC pipe, this clip, everything is placed inside. If already house is constructed, we want to go for some modification, then we can place all this outside. That is according to our requirement. So in this video we discuss about the 4 type of wiring. The fourth type is currently we are using. The remaining 3 types also used in the industries or domestic based on the application, based on our requirement. So subscribe this channel for more videos, and the link is available in the description box, and also course material drive link also available. Thank you.